Rajesh, you have applied for the post of a manager. Can you please tell me one of your unusual project experiences?
Well, there was one project in which there were 4 different characters.
What's going on?
Ding ding. Crazy. Ding ding.
This is all about the project. All the best, guys. Any questions or concerns?
सर मुझे तो बस ऑनसाइट चाहिए. I was told about the same while being taken for the project.
We have one slot, but you have to prove yourselves before that. All the 4 of you will be working on this assignment. Let's meet after a few weeks. Okay?
Okay,
thank you.
मुझे तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ यूएस ही जाना है. अगर मैं यूएस नहीं जाता हूँ तो मुझे 5 लाख मिलेगा और अगर गया तो मेरा रेट 50 लाख हो जाएगा.
रेट? कौन सा रेट?
अरे शादी के लिए यार. मेरे एक रिलेटिव है जो ऑनसाइट गए थे 10 साल के लिए और 2 साल पहले वापस आए. उन्होंने ऑनसाइट में बहुत पैसा कमाया और एक बहुत बड़ा घर बनवाया हैदराबाद में. और पता है अब वो एक मूवी में हीरो भी बन गए हैं.
Wow, is he a good actor also?
अरे नहीं, उनका तो सपना था हीरो बनने का. मुंबई जाकर एक प्रोड्यूसर को पैसे देकर डी ग्रेड मूवी बनवाई है और उसमें हीरो बने हैं. देख लो ऑनसाइट जाने के कितने फायदे हैं. एक रियल लाइफ जीरो से रियल लाइफ हीरो बन गए. और पता है उन्होंने लेटेस्ट आईफोन भी खरीदा है. इवन आई एम प्लानिंग टू बाय न्यू आईफोन 5 टुडे.
Forget about that hero. Do you know that Samsung is coming up with a new Android phone which has a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, Wi-Fi hotspot, Android OS version 4.0.4, ice cream sandwich, upgradable to 4.1 Jelly Bean, simultaneous HD recording and image recording as well. I just can't wait for its launch. I badly want to buy it. I think it is going to be the father of all Android devices. Not mother, mind it.
But I want to buy the iPhone 5 only.
Why the iPhone 5 only?
Because it's an iPhone.
But I just told you about a new Android phone which has far better features.
Is it an iPhone?
No, it is not.
Then why would I buy it if it's not an iPhone?
Well, it's similar to an iPhone, but it has a larger resolution, higher internet speeds. It has a higher resolution camera both on the front and the back.
I don't care.
Its battery is replaceable and so is its memory card. Also, its widgets and icons are highly customizable. It can even grant up to 3 wishes, even if one of them is for an iPhone 5. It also has an app that can create an island and one more app that can take you directly over there.
I don't care anything about that.
Then if I may ask that what entices you about the iPhone 5?
It is an iPhone.
Big deal. Do you know that it's only a brand? They can pick out a brick and then call it an iPhone.
But it's the best phone.
Can you please explain?
It has 3G and Wi-Fi and lots of apps.
What does it mean to you? Well, if you want, you can place a reservation for your iPhone 5 today.
Why do I place an order? I just want it now.
Man, who on earth do you think you are? You think that you can buy an iPhone right on the launch day by getting into any store directly?
Is it?
अरे सुदीप, ये तुम कौन सी कंपनी के बारे में बात कर रहे हो? मुझे भी उसका NSE कोड दो. If they are going to launch such a good product, I'll definitely invest in this company. I want to earn lots of money from the share market.
क्यों? तुम्हें दूसरा हर्षद मेहता बनना है क्या?
What is this NSE script code, man? I did not get you.
क्या तुम लोगों को ट्रेडिंग के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता? करते क्या हो ऑफिस में दिन भर? मैं बता रहा हूँ, ये आईटी का कोई भरोसा नहीं. एक को रिसेशन आया और सब लोगों की जॉब गई. अगर चैन से सोना है तो जाग जाओ एंड स्टार्ट इन्वेस्टिंग लाइक मी. मैं तो ट्रेडिंग पर एक ब्राउन ब्रेक सेशन भी देने का सोच रहा हूँ. हाउ कम यू पीपल आर नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग इन द मार्केट?
सोशल नेटवर्किंग पे थोड़ा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करो, फेसबुक पे थोड़ा अपना टाइम बिताओ. हे, my favorite hero has just accepted my friend request. Oh my god. You know, now my friend list counts to 2000. I have 4040 likes, 700 albums and 113 subscriptions. You guys don't worry. I have sent friend request to you also. You know Bubble Safari? I will send that request also. It's an awesome game. You know, I'm on 54th level. For me to go to the next level, I want some extra bubbles and some poachers.
Hey Sadhna, are you leaving for the day?
No, yaar. It's only 6. I'm here for the next couple of hours. Why should I go home now? What I will do there? If I stay here, I can play some games, I can watch some TV, and I can go to the Zumba dance class also. And then I will have my dinner and then I can go home.
I have asked you for project status in my last mail and I haven't received response from anyone. What is the status of the project? I have heard that you guys are far behind from the deadline.
सर जी, मुझे तो ऑन-साइट जाना है बस. आई एम नॉट एबल टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट.
Sir, even I am not able to concentrate because of Mr. Kejriwal.
How is Kejriwal related to our project, man?
Sir, because of him DLF share price went down और मुझे उससे बहुत नुकसान हुआ. Let me first order some shares of Sun TV. उन्होंने अभी भी IPL टीम खरीदी है और मुझे लगता है कि मुझे उससे बहुत प्रॉफिट होगा. Then only I will be able to concentrate in the project.
Nobody is able to concentrate. What is this? You guys are paid to work, not to be daydreamers during office hours. And what about you, Sudeep?
Sir, I am working on it, but here the systems are very slow. I need at least 32 GB RAM, 1 TB of storage, and an i10 processor. The system speed should match my speed, you know. Also, can you get us the latest Android handset for the frequent on-site calls that we make?
Oh God! What about your status, Sadhana?
Love is complicated, but still people do.
What?
My Facebook status.
Oh my God! I am asking your project status.
Oh, project status. I'm working on it. I have other important things to do. I hope you understand.
Please try to concentrate. I know you guys have the caliber to complete the project on time. I have good offers for you people. But of course, if you complete the project on time, I'll send you to on-site. For remaining guys, I will give you a good bonus.
ए सुदीप, ये पीएम कौन से मेल के बारे में बात कर रहा था? मुझे तो स्टेटस के लिए कोई मेल नहीं मिला.
Hey, you have to get Microsoft Office and uninstall Mozilla Thunderbird because it has got some compatibility issues with our Beehive. Install MS Outlook and then do the necessary settings. Enter your account details. You can also configure your mail signature by going to Tools, Options, Mail Format tab and the Signature button. Go over there and add your details in the signature text box and you are done.
Oh my God, इतना सब करना पड़ेगा? इतने टाइम में तो मैं कुछ और शेयर खरीद लूँ. कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग मेल हो तो मुझे बता देना.
Congrats guys. You guys did a fantastic job.
Hello, this is Sadhna. Facilities. How can I help you?
हेलो सर, आई एम कॉलिंग फ्रॉम sharesing.com. आपका ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट ओपन हो गया है. आप कब इन्वेस्ट करना चालू करेंगे? मैं आपकी हेल्प करूंगा ट्रेडिंग में.
हेलो. हाँ भाई साहब, आपका वो आईफोन नहीं बन सकता. नहीं, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था आईफोन में बहुत खराबियाँ हैं. आपको एंड्रॉयड खरीदना था उसी टाइम पे. नहीं, आके अपना डब्बा लेके जाओ.
This is your pizza from US Pizza Lab.
Well, that's an interesting story, Rajesh. But what actually happened to the project?
Because of lack of budget, the project got pushed out. That is the reason I am here for the interview.
Action.
Sir ji, the thing is that I have to go.
Why you started laughing, man?
अगर नींद से जागना है तो सो जाओ। कहाँ है डायलॉग? 1 मिनट।
Action.
Nobody is able to concentrate. What?
Action.
Nobody is able to concentrate.
Why are you getting? Just deliver it.
You just did like this.
Normally, what? Action.
Nobody is able to concentrate. What is this?
Man. We are taking ages. Action.
How is Kejriwal related?
Related to our why?
Lady, 4 takes for this. I'm frustrated now.
Why are you rushing?
Go do that after going up. Perhaps if I stay
Stop
here,
it.